Hello everyone, you are all welcome. We are here with a new video. Our preparations for the new season have started slowly. Both our fertilizer preparation and our plowing preparation have started. We planted spinach in this field in previous years. We even have videos. This is where we plant watermelons. We are planning to plant another crop in this field this season. You've already guessed that, so let it be a surprise. Let's show you in the future. Now we have started to plow this field with triple plows. Actually, we are looking at the temper of the soil. We will try to plow the entire field. Let me show our field like this. From this part, the field speed goes to the beginning, then it comes to here. The field is L-shaped. It starts here, comes here, then comes this way. We'll try to drive this way from the L over there. That's why we started from the middle. We'll go from angle to angle. How do we calculate the exact middle? We are trying to go straight across the field. I will show you the easiest method. Since we will continue until here, we start stepping from here. You come this far. You are stepping because you will start right in the middle. Let's say this is 40 steps from start to finish. You start right in the middle. That is when you reach step 20. We have a local walnut tree there. I don't remember how old it is. It's been a long time. We cannot plant many crops under our tree. Both its shadow, its roots, its lack of sunlight, etc. welding. My father is trying to tidy under the walnut tree. He will then continue driving. It will most likely come from the same alignment. Let's wait and see together. Since he is in the first row, he adjusts the plow settings again accordingly. When plowing the first row with a plow, you adjust it straight when you look from the back of the plow, since the wheel does not go in the pit, but goes straight. After entering the first row, this time you adjust the plow by tilting it. He just left here. He was in a straight line. Now it will come from a straight line again from here. When plowing with the second row plow, the tractor will lean slightly to the right as the wheel will enter the pit. Then we adjust the plow setting. It's coming from a straight line right now. He will continue by tilting the tractor. The temper of the soil seems good. We can understand whether the soil is suitable for plowing by the disintegration of the soil. Actually, he had a little more time. For example, those clods you see need to fall apart when they fall. If the clods remain lumpy, they will become like stones when dried. We have made the arrangement now, we can continue in order. But I'm not sure if my father will continue. For example, clods like this were left very hard as stone. At this time, the plow adjustment is completed. In the future, it will come this way and go this way. Currently, our tractor is not the latest technology tractor, an old tractor. You may have already noticed. We mostly see videos about new tractors and their conveniences. We also follow those videos. Those who have old tractors do it in a slightly more difficult way. Logically, old tractors and new tractors are the same. But in terms of convenience, new tractors are more comfortable. Middle arm adjustment, side arm adjustment, etc. It's all done automatically. Currently, we do it completely manually. There are no adjustments on the middle arms, the right and left arms. It has a standard setting. Since we have years of plows, years of tractors, and years of fields, we have memorized these operations. One year, we plow the field by opening it with a plow, and the other year, we plow it by covering the field with a plow. The temper of the soil looks very nice. We are currently plowing deep with a plow. While plowing the field with a plow, let's say the previous row's plowing ends here. When we move to the new row, we continue this gap. In the plow setting, if the front part of the plow sinks too much or too little, we will leave a mark with each plow. We also need to make these settings well. If you say the trail is not a problem for us, you may not do it, but we don't want to leave a trace. In this part, we want there to be no traces like lines where we went in the second row with the plow. That's why we need to adjust the plow properly. There should be no traces left when plowing. How to adjust the plow? We will prepare a detailed video for you. We wanted to tell you that we are currently plowing this field with a plow. We will share new videos with you in the following stages. See you in the next videos. Don't forget to support us. Keep farming.